Okay, be honest. How many of you have checked your bank account, seen that scary pending status, and had a mini heart attack? Wait, did I get charged twice? Is this a fraud? Why is my money stuck? Don't worry, that pending message isn't a problem. It's actually your bank being a really careful friend. Let me explain with a restaurant story. When you finish eating and give your card to the waiter, what happens? They take it away, right? They're not charging you yet. They're just making sure your card works. That's exactly what pending means. The store is telling your bank, hey, this person might spend around this amount. Can you make sure they have the money? And your bank says, sure, I'll set this money aside just in case. It's like calling dibs on your cash. So there are always two steps in this money dance. First, the pending stage. That's the maybe phase. The money is still technically yours, but it's wearing a maybe leaving soon name tag. That's why sometimes you can't spend that money, because your bank is being a responsible friend and saying, hey, this might belong to someone else soon. Then comes step 2. The store says, okay, final amount please. And the transaction posts or completes. That's when the money actually leaves your account for real. Here's the cool part. This system actually protects you. Imagine if you accidentally swiped your card twice. Without pending transactions, you'd be charged twice instantly. But thanks to pending transactions, your bank can say, whoa, they already have one pending charge here. Let's wait and see. It's like having a financial bodyguard. This is also why gas stations put those big holds on your card, and hotels take deposits. They're not being mean, they're just making sure you can pay later. Now, when should you worry? If a pending transaction sits there for more than 3 to 5 business days, that's your cue to call your bank. But 99% of the time, it'll clear on its own in 1 to 2 days. The only other red flag? If you see a pending charge from somewhere you've never been, then yes, call your bank immediately. But regular pending charges? They're just part of the normal money dance. So remember, pending just means maybe. Your money is still yours, your bank is just being cautious, and it'll usually clear in a day or 2. No panic needed. Next time you see that pending status, you can just smile knowing your bank has your back. If this saved you from future panic attacks, please hit that like button. It really helps us help more people. What's the longest you've ever had a transaction stay pending? Share your story in the comments. Let's see who holds the record. And if you want more tips to feel confident about your money, subscribe to The Daily Answer. We make finance feel friendly, not frightening. Thanks for watching.